Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. I can't believe it's Sunday. You guys, it is extremely rainy. You might hear the rain. Can you hear it? I don't know if you can. But I only have $54 today, guys, to catch stuff. It's all fives and a lot of ones. And I'll be honest with you, small amounts do add up. I was not gonna make this video for today, but I told myself, no, I am in this journey. You guys need to see my journey and follow my journey of becoming debt free and doing this stuff. So I was like, you know what? It is what it is. So yeah, so don't give up, guys. I know small amounts sometimes are a little bit sad to see because I know there's other budgeters out there that have more amounts of money, which one day we will have that, girlfriends. Don't worry about it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Let's see what we can do on our rent and bill binder. Alabama Power. Let's add a 5 on this one. I think all envelopes are gonna get a 5. I'm not sure. We will see. Alabama Power got 5. Eric's bid is fully funded. Hope you guys had a great day yesterday. I'm gonna add a 5 to our gas. Yeah, let me add a 5 to gas. Okay. Y'all hear that? It's extremely bad. Very, very bad. And then insurance is going to get a 5 as well. And yeah, okay. That's about it. Internet's fully funded. And rent is not going to get anything. So that's okay. Okay. We're trying to stretch our money as much as we can. Guys, I did not want it to wake up today. Let me just tell you that. Losing that 1 hour does not help, but I'm excited though that we're going 1 hour ahead. Today's day should go pretty fast. So I'm excited for that. All right, guys. This one here, we're going to do a 10. I know it's a bigger number, but next time we do this, look, we're only going to need one more. And we're going to be done with this one. That's so exciting. Cannot wait for tomorrow, you guys. We're gonna be doing mini Mondays tomorrow. I've noticed that a lot of you guys love mini Mondays. All right, guys, so far we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70 and $80. So this challenge will save me 90 bucks because we only need 10 more, and I'm excited to catch stuff those $10 to complete this one. All right, next, you guys, this will be a very short video, but hey, it's okay. We're gonna do the Winnie the Pooh challenge on this one. Scratch off. Let's see how much we're going to scratch. We're gonna scratch $4. So we're gonna say $4, as you can see there. Hopefully the reflection is not bad. 3 and 4. It's raining really, really bad, you guys. I didn't know it was gonna rain today. And my husband's like, oh, it's been raining since the morning. I'm like, oh, like early morning. And I'm like, oh my goodness. And then it's thundering so bad. When I was about to make the video, it was thundering pretty bad. And I was like, whoa, hold on. What's going on? Okay. This one here is all 10, so I'm gonna skip this one. Okay. For my dermatologist, we're gonna add a 5. Oops, a little bow. Okay, fell off. Okay, we can add a 5 for this one. Now we have 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. $60 on that. We're almost there. And then we're gonna do our Happy Mail Fund. We're gonna add a 5 on this one. We're almost done with this one, you guys. You guys might hear my husband's video because he's watching YouTube. Okay, so we're gonna add a 5 in that, and there he is. He's like, let me use the computer with pointing fingers. All right, so we got $5 in there. Oh, that good. You got ready so fast. I'm about to go finish and get ready. All right. There's that, and then we're gonna add another 5 on this one. Okay, so $5 on that. Oh man, what a crazy day, but I'm sure today's gonna go by quick. This time is gonna go quick, so today's gonna go quick. I have faith it will go quick. All right, so now we have $15 on this challenge. I think it's so cute and adorable. Love it, love it. All right. And then we're gonna move on all the way to the back here. We're gonna add Easter. Easter for Eric's birthday. It's gonna get $3. Okay. Small amounts to add up. You guys know that. All right. For the Hello Kitty challenge is going to receive, let's see. It's gonna do $3. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3. So $3 on that. Do we have $3? 1, 2, and 3. We sure do. Those ones are so ugly. They're so ugly, you guys. Okay. So there's that. And then now we're gonna add $1 to Eric, $1 to Dylan, and $1 to Alex. So $1 to Dylan, another $1 to Eric, and $1 to Alex. So there's that. And we're left with $1, I believe. It's not a lot, but it's something. Okay, let's see. Yep, we got $1. That $1 is gonna go here. Stretching our money as much as we can. Okay. Add that here. Let's see. There's the purple. And we're gonna add that $1. Okay, there you have it, guys. Quick and easy Sunday video. All right, I see you guys tomorrow for Mini Monday. I'm so excited. And yeah, all right, thank you so much, guys, for stopping by today. Have a lovely Sunday. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. I love you.